Guys, look. It's snowing so much. And I'm performing in this weather. Yo, I feel like I'm walking in Alaska, bruh. Like, what are we doing? Today is the day of waves. And wait, give me a second. What do we do? Oh no. No.
We take a picture. This is so funny.
This is filming.
Oh, I'm just filming a vlog because I feel
Oh.
like this is a very memorable experience.
It is a very memorable experience. I cannot speak.
Guys, this is like the craziest blizzard I've ever been to in my life.
Nobody's gonna come.
Yeah. No one's gonna see us perform. We'll perform for
Yeah,
ourselves.
sad.
This will be. God, my ankles are frozen. Oh, they're serving food at Lower. I think I should eat. I'm not that hungry yet. But damn, bro, I've never experienced this much snow. How am I supposed to cross this? How do we? Oh my gosh!
You wanna pause it?
Huh? No, it's okay.
Wait, what are you doing? Vlog?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Summer days. It's like summer G-A-Y-Z.
G-A-Y-Z?
Yeah, D-D-D. D-A-Y-Z.
Oh, summer day.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Hello. I'm so honored to be in this vlog. I'm cold as fuck.
Right now we're at Lower Coursera Commons. And the performance starts at 6:30. Hopefully the weather is like better by then, so that people will maybe even think of coming. Cause even I wouldn't want to come in this weather. Okay, goodbye.